Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your British passport online. This is useful if your passport is expiring and if you want a simple renewal process. So first go to the official government website and open renew or replace your adult passport. And before you start, have these ready: your old passport, any other valid passport, a digital passport photo, and a debit or credit card. So the standard online renewal costs 94.50 euro. Click renew online if you're applying for someone else. Answer everything using their details. And then you'll be asked for a few questions, like whether you live in the UK, your date of birth, and whether you had a UK passport before. You'll also choose if you need it urgently. Standard service is usually around 3 weeks, or you can pay extra for fast track. Next is the photo. The easiest photo or the easiest option is a photo booth or Photoshop because the quality is usually better. If used a booth, enter the photo code or upload a digital photo. When the photo shows, check it carefully and then submit it. After that, you'll answer questions like whether your passport is lost, stolen, or damaged, the issue date on your old passport, and whether you have other passports. Then you'll enter your old passport number and expiry date and fill in your details: full name, any previous names, gender, where you were born, address, email, and phone number. You'll choose your passport size, so whether it's standard or 54 pages, 407 euros. And before paying, review everything and then pay, accept the declaration, and submit. And you'll then get a confirmation by email or text with an application number so that you can track it. And just remember, you still need to send your old passport to HM Passport Office to finish processing. So thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this and drop any questions in the comment section below.